Should your Florida home have a preserve view, a lake view, a golf course view? Does it really matter which way the lanai faces? Is a first floor condo really the smartest choice? Do you actually need your own pool, or will you just end up paying for something that you barely use? Is a two-story home going to be great for your life now, but a burden 10 years from now? These are the decisions that will affect your everyday life here in Florida, and they will shape how you live here. Before you sign a contract, let's talk through the features that I encourage all buyers to think about before they write an offer. Feature number 1, the location inside the community. Most buyers spend months choosing the right community and the perfect home. And yet they spend about 10 minutes thinking about where the home that they like actually sits within the community. One street can feel completely different from another. Would you rather be close enough to walk to the clubhouse every morning? Or would you rather be far enough away that you never hear pickleball games or evening events? How would you feel backing up to the front entrance, where traffic comes and goes all day? Or would a quiet cul-de-sac with almost no cars be more your preference? Some buyers love being near the gate because getting in and out of the community is quick and convenient. Others would gladly drive an extra minute for more peace and quiet. Here in Naples and Southwest Florida, we have a lot of communities that have one way in and one way out. And if you live towards the back of a community, it can be a long drive to the exit. Some don't mind it in the beginning, but after a while, it can become a pain. Keep in mind, your daily experience can feel completely different depending on where your home is located inside of a community. Feature number 2, the view that you wake up to. This is one of the hardest decisions because every buyer has a favorite. A preserve view offers privacy. It feels peaceful. You'll likely see birds, deer, and other wildlife. If you enjoy sitting outside with a cup of coffee surrounded by nature, it can be wonderful. On the other hand, a lake view gives you a completely different feeling. It creates a sense of openness. You often get beautiful reflections on the water. And depending on the home's orientation, some spectacular sunsets. And then there's golf course views, which can feel manicured and expansive. But they also come with golfers, early morning maintenance crews, and the occasional stray golf ball. There isn't one right answer, but here's something I always tell buyers. You'll probably remodel the kitchen someday, but you can never remodel the view. Feature number 3, which way does the lanai face? Most people don't seriously consider this until they've lived here for a while. If you're someone who prefers eastern exposure and morning sun, then you're going to enjoy breakfast outside and you won't bake on your lanai in the afternoon. If you're really keen on having western exposure, then you'll probably have some gorgeous sunsets. But chances are really high that your lanai is going to be very warm in the afternoon. I do caution buyers who absolutely have to have western exposure. That afternoon sun can turn your lanai into an oven. Southern exposure generally provides sunlight throughout much of the day, which can be great, especially if you have your own private pool. Northern exposure often keeps the house cooler. None of these choices are necessarily wrong. It just depends on how you actually plan to use your outdoor space. Feature number 4, do you really need a private pool? Many people with their hearts set on Florida automatically think I have to have my own pool. They just can't picture life in Florida without it. But sometimes a pool is an expensive luxury that gets used far less than expected. Ask yourself, will you swim every day, every week, every month? Will the grandchildren visit often and use it? Do you enjoy entertaining your friends around the pool? Or does the community that you've identified already have a resort-style pool that's professionally maintained? Owning a pool means cleaning, chemicals, equipment maintenance. It means heating costs, insurance considerations, and the occasional repair. For some buyers, it's worth every penny. For others, the community pool ends up being the better lifestyle choice. Feature number 5, 1 story or 2. 2-story homes provide excellent separation for guests. Grandkids can have their own space upstairs. But stairs often do become more noticeable as time goes on. Single-story homes often make daily living simpler. There's no stairs, it's easier for cleaning, and it's easier for maintenance. Typically what I see here in Naples is that by the time people are ready to purchase here, they are done with the stairs. They've had the 2-story home up north for most of their lives, and they just don't want it anymore. If you are wanting a 2-story home, especially here in Naples and Southwest Florida, my best advice to you is to make sure that the primary suite is on the first floor. This will help make the home more attractive to potential buyers when you go to sell it someday. Feature number 6, first floor condo or upper floor condo. First floor condos are incredibly convenient. Carrying groceries is easier. Walking the dog is easier. There's no waiting for elevators. But upper floor condos offer advantages too. Better views, more privacy, higher ceilings, less foot traffic outside your windows. And of course, if you happen to be on a top floor unit, you never have to worry about the pitter-patter of feet from your neighbors above. Neither is automatically better. It's really about which trade-offs fit your lifestyle. Feature number 7, outdoor living space. Here in Florida, we spend much more time outside than you might expect, even in the summer heat. Our lanais often become our favorite room of the house. It's not unusual for us to enjoy our Thanksgiving feast around the table on the lanai rather than inside in the dining room. While you are out house hunting, it's important that you pay attention to the covered lanai space. If there's a pool, that screen enclosure can make that outdoor living feel grand. But actually, it's that under-roof lanai space that really is the most important feature because it gives you protection from that intense sun. The larger the covered area, the more space that you have for a dining table, an outdoor kitchen, or even a sitting area around a TV. Many retirees discover that they would gladly trade indoor square footage for more outdoor living space. Feature number 8, garage space. I only need room for 2 cars. I've heard buyers say this many, many times. Then reality hits. Beach chairs, golf clubs, coolers, bicycles, holiday decorations, tools. Storage disappears quickly, especially here in Florida homes. We have no basements here, and if there is any attic space, the heat and humidity are not conducive to storage. The garage itself can get very hot too, especially over the summer months, so you do have to be very selective as to what you store in that space. Overall, though, a larger garage is one of those features that buyers appreciate more with every passing year. Feature number 9, open floor plan or separate spaces. Open floor plans remain popular. They feel bright, airy, and they are great for entertaining. But some buyers eventually realize that they miss having quieter spaces. One person watches television, the other person wants to read. Maybe someone works from home. Sometimes separate rooms simply function better. Feature number 10, corner lot or interior lot. Whether you are buying new construction where you get to choose the lot or you're buying a resale, the lot itself becomes a huge selling point. Corner lots often get a bad rap, though they are often larger or they feel larger. Corner lots will allow for more natural light in the home, and they provide for greater curb appeal. But they usually come with more yard maintenance, more sidewalk, and less privacy. Interior lots often feel tucked away, but you'll generally have neighbors on both sides. In this instance, the distance between neighbors becomes important. And with the newer developments these days, distance between neighbors can be very tight. If that's the case, the landscaping becomes critical to create some privacy. Again, neither is wrong, just different. Feature 11, storm protection. This isn't the most exciting part of buying a home, but it might be one of the most valuable. Impact windows, a newer roof, automatic shutters, a whole house generator, concrete block construction, elevation. These features don't just improve storm protection. They can also make owning a Florida home much less stressful, especially if you're not living here full time. They also greatly impact your insurance premium, in a good way. Feature number 12, if there's an HOA, what does it actually include? I realize you may not want to live in an HOA community, but here in Florida, our HOA communities greatly outnumber our non-HOA communities. The chances are high that you will end up choosing a home in an HOA. If you do, try not to focus too hard on the monthly or quarterly HOA fee. Instead, concentrate more on what you are getting for that fee. Does it include roof replacement? Does it include exterior insurance? How about landscaping, cable, internet? What about the amenities or reserve funding? Sometimes the HOA actually provides better long-term value. Feature number 13, think about your future self. This may be your retirement home or your snowbird home. Either way, ask yourself, will this home still fit my lifestyle 10 years from now? Could I comfortably age here? Could friends visit easily? Would I enjoy maintaining it? Those questions are often more important than whether or not the countertops are quartz or the appliances are newer. Feature number 14, will the next buyer love it too? Even if you believe you'll never sell, life changes, health changes, family changes. Choosing features with broad appeal, a great view, a functional floor plan, a desirable location within the community, all of these things can help protect your investment if your plans ever change. Most buyers think they're shopping for a house, but what they are really choosing is how they're going to spend every morning, every afternoon, and every evening for years to come. The right community is important, but the right lot, the right view, the right floor plan, and the right features, those are things that you'll notice every single day. So don't just ask yourself, do I like this house? Ask yourself, can I happily see myself living this lifestyle for the next 10, maybe even 20 years? Because that's the decision you're really making. If you are considering Florida for your second home or your retirement home and you need some encouragement in your decision, subscribe to my channel. My videos are here to help you make the best decision. I don't want all of your hard work and savings to go to waste. I want you to spend your retirement years feeling your best in a place that makes you happy. That is what my channel is all about. If you've zeroed in on Southwest Florida for your next home, Naples, Bonita Springs, or Estero, and you want to work with myself and my team, all of my information is below. Call, text, or email, and we'd be happy to help. For those of you who are still exploring, check out these videos next. They may help give you some guidance and point you in the right direction. Thanks for joining me. I'm Alysia Shivers. Until next time.